Hi guys, I have a cute gift card holder and I thought that I would share it with you. It's just a little box. And then I just put a mortarboard-ish on top with a tassel for a graduation with and it's held with a little brad. And then you open it up and this particular person is going to Purdue. So I put the Purdue like yellow gold color at the bottom, and I colored him to kind of resemble the person that I'm giving it to, and I put Purdue on the shirt. This is a digi stamp and I think it's adorable. I wrote my note on the other side, and then I gave a gift card, so I just decorated that a little bit with a banner, which is just washi tape. And I have these, and I think I might put one of these on there as well, or maybe just on the bottom of this. I don't know. We'll see. And I'm going to seal this up, and this will be on his gift table, which I think will be cute too, just sitting on the gift table. I'm going to need to put a piece of tape. My cat is telling me that he's hungry, and he just ate. So I just thought that I would do a quick project share, and yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.